Hi, I'm Beverly,
And I'm Lucy.
and we're some of your student content shapers. Trust us, we understand how tempting it can be to use AI in your assignments.
But it's important to remember that using it too much can lead to plagiarism and affect your studies in general.
However, that doesn't mean the use of AI isn't permitted at all.
In this video, we'll be teaching you how to use AI in a safe and helpful way throughout your academic journey. AI can help you with learning, but not with most assignments. You can use generative AI tools like Copilot to help you study.
For example, it can be used to summarize lecture content, create revision notes and quizzes, explain difficult questions, generate practice questions, and improve search strategy for research.
However, AI cannot be used in assessments or assignments unless the lecturer clearly states so.
So no, AI cannot do the writing for you.
So why the rule? This rule exists to make sure students complete their own work and fairly demonstrate their knowledge.
It's also important to double check the information AI gives you, as it's not always correct or relevant. Lecturers must clearly explain the rules. For every module and assignment, lecturers must clearly tell you whether AI can be used, how it can be used, and how to acknowledge that it's been used.
This information should be clearly stated on Canvas pages or in assignments. If you're confused, make sure that you ask your lecturer. Students must be transparent if they use AI.
If AI is allowed, you may need to state whether you've used AI,
Show your prompts and outputs,
explain how it's been used.
and reference it properly, for example using the APA style.
Students must learn to use AI ethically.
Before using AI, you should first learn about privacy and data
Bias and incorrect information in AI systems.
and plagiarism risks. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful.
If you have any questions or would like any further support in how to use AI, please check out the You'll Be Ready or academic support web pages down below.
Bye.